Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to increase Shopify conversion rate. Firstly, try improving product discovery. Shoppers won't buy what they can't find. Use a clean, minimal navigation menu with broad categories and drop-downs for subcategories. Add search bars with autocomplete and smart filtering, and highlight popular categories as visual tiles on your homepage. Use Shopify product recommendation apps like Rebuy, LimeSpot, or AlsoBot. Secondly, highlight the right pages based on goals. Not all navigation links should be treated equally. Just highlight key intent pages like sale, new arrivals, clearance with different colors or icons. Use mega menus for desktop if you have more than 5 to 7 top-level categories. Thirdly, make your hero header work harder. It's the first thing people see and must guide them to act. Display one strong message and add microcopy that clearly explains the offers or product benefit. Use emotional language or value-driven hooks. Also, create urgency or exclusivity, and then link the hero section directly to specific products or collections. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.